Building a battery testing rig might not be at the top of everyone's priorities, but if you're a 12 volt battery nerd like me, then stay tuned. I've commandeered this trolley from my Man Things unit mate, Matty. Perfect for making our mobile battery testing rig. Always good to start these projects with a clean surface. Not that anything else is clean in here. To make a 12 volt battery testing rig, it's reasonably inexpensive. I'm making this from a bunch of old equipment I've got lying around the unit. You'll need a load tester, a Windows computer system, nothing too fancy, and if you're like us and you have loads of batteries you want to test, it's also handy to have a couple of extra 12 volt battery chargers. I'm sure I spotted an extension lead on Matty's shelves. Oh, that's no good. I'll have to use this one my daughter's DVD player is plugged into. Sorry, hamster. I had to drive back home to get these brackets. Screws don't fit, so I'll drill them out. Not the tidiest of wiring, but it's out of the way. Time to hook up some batteries. These batteries are definitely past their best, but still plenty of life for what we need. So the load tester works by applying a constant load to the battery and measuring for how long it can take that load. Now we can test our batteries and we'll know which ones we can use for future Man Things projects. Don't set yours to a cut-off voltage of 10.85 volts. That will damage the cells. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching this and see you next time. Bye bye.